To inspect and replace the air filter on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing the seats. On 2-passenger models, remove both seats by pulling up on the seat latch lever located under the front edge of the seat. Tilt the seat forward and lift upward to remove. On 4-passenger models, reach behind the headrest and pull on the latch to release the seat back. Remove both seat backs. Next, remove the upper close-off panel by turning the 4 quarter-turn latches. Lift the panel up and pivot out around the seat harness to remove. Then, clean any dirt or debris from the airbox area. Now, unlatch the 7 airbox cover clips and carefully remove the airbox cover. Next, inspect the air filter and the airbox for dirt, debris, or water. Do not wash or oil the air filter. Do not attempt to clean with compressed air. Continue by removing the filter. With the filter removed, clean the intake tube and airbox thoroughly and wipe it with a clean, dry cloth. Dirt or debris in the intake tube could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake tube before installing the filter. Then, reinstall the air filter if clean, or install a new air filter if soiled, and ensure it is fully seated. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. The use of non-Polaris approved air filter may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Next, make sure there are no gaps between the filter and the stop on the intake tube. After this, reinstall the airbox cover and ensure alignment tabs are properly positioned along the edge of the airbox. If there is difficulty or resistance when installing the airbox cover, remove and check the alignment and the position of the air filter before continuing. Then, secure the 7 cover clips. Next, reinstall the upper close-off panel by pivoting around the seat harness and engaging in the lower retaining tabs. Then, secure the 4 quarter-turn latches. Finally, on 4-passenger models, reinstall the seats by aligning the bottom stems with their appropriate housing. Once aligned, push the seat headrest back until the latch makes an audible click sound. On 2-passenger models, slide the seat tabs at the front edge onto the seat retainer tubes. Then, press down firmly at the rear of the seat to engage the rear latches. Ensure the seats are latched securely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.